Okay, so now we are in our section where we will create our Facebook ads. I will briefly explain you what are ads and how are you using them to get sales by using Facebook platform and Instagram platform. Top ads that you will use on Facebook are engagement, conversions, and video views. You don't want to use any other Facebook ads to promote your services, because in most cases they will just get your money out of your pocket and you will get no sales. These other ads may work or they may not work. I know that for myself, engagement, conversions, and video view ads are working best. You want to use engagement ads to get post engagement, which is page like, comments, shares, and also by using engagement your posts have chance to go viral. If you are not using engagement, then your post will never be able to get viral unless you're having big audience on your page. If you are using conversions, that means that Facebook will look on their platform for people who already purchased using their platform links. That is how conversion ads work. And video views are ads that recently came to Facebook, and they're really cheap ads, and they are really effective because you can upload video to your post that you are selling that product, and when people see that video, if they like it, they will buy it. So for now I will show you how to create engagement ads, and I will also show you how to create conversions ad and video views ad. I will also show you how can you use Facebook Pixel and how will you be able to add this Facebook Pixel to track monitor things on your Shopify website if you are using Shopify. If you're not using Shopify, you can also ask me in comment section of my course, where I will answer you how to add Facebook Pixel to your other websites. It is really cool thing to add because you can retarget people who already made purchases, who already did initiate checkout, who view your content. So you can use this Facebook Pixel to retarget anyone who recently visited your website, who looked your products, because if they already looked for your products, there is really high chance that they will buy that. So with this being said, we will now start creating our ads.